The night sky shimmers. Green and purple lights dance across the darkness. It is a breathtaking sight. The northern lights, or aurora borealis, are a natural wonder. They captivate us with their beauty and mystery. Imagine standing under a sky full of color. Imagine the silence, broken only by the wind. It is a humbling experience. The aurora borealis reminds us of the vastness of the universe. It shows us the power of nature. For centuries, people have told stories about the lights. Some cultures believed they were spirits dancing in the sky. Others saw them as messages from the gods. The lights inspire awe and wonder in all who see them. Today, we understand the science behind the aurora, but the magic remains. Join me as we explore this celestial spectacle. Let us journey to the land of the northern lights. The sun is a powerful star. It sends out a constant stream of charged particles. We call this the solar wind. When the solar wind reaches Earth, it interacts with our planet's magnetic field. The magnetic field protects us from the harmful radiation of the sun. It acts like a shield, but some particles get through. They travel down the magnetic field lines towards the poles. These particles collide with atoms in our atmosphere. This collision releases energy in the form of light. That light is what we see as the aurora borealis. The different colors come from different gases in the atmosphere. Seeing the northern lights is a dream for many, but where and when is the best time to see them? The key is to go north towards the Arctic Circle. Countries like Norway, Iceland, Canada, and Alaska are ideal locations. The winter months offer the best viewing opportunities. The long, dark nights provide ample time to witness the show, but the aurora can be unpredictable. Patience is essential. Clear skies are crucial. Cloud cover can obscure the lights. Check the weather forecasts and choose a location away from city lights. Light pollution can make it harder to see the aurora. I remember my first encounter with the northern lights. It was in the wilderness of Alaska. The air was crisp and cold. The stars twinkled above. Then the sky began to glow. Pale green streaks appeared, dancing and shimmering. The colors intensified, swirling and shifting. It was like a celestial ballet. I felt a sense of awe and wonder. The lights seemed to move to the rhythm of the wind. They whispered tales of distant worlds. It was a moment I will never forget. The northern lights have a way of touching the soul. Capturing the beauty of the aurora in a photograph is indeed a challenge, but with the right equipment and settings, it's definitely possible. A DSLR camera with manual controls is essential. A tripod is also crucial to keep the camera steady during those long exposures. Use a wide-angle lens to capture as much of the sky as possible. Set your aperture to the widest setting, that's the lowest f number, to let in the most light. Don't hesitate to experiment with different ISO settings and shutter speeds to find what works best for you. Focus on a bright star to ensure your images are sharp. Use a remote shutter release or the camera's timer to avoid any camera shake. And remember, above all, patience is key. The aurora can be quite unpredictable. The Northern Lights have played an important role in the mythology and folklore of Arctic cultures. The Inuit people of Alaska believed the lights were the spirits of animals dancing in the sky. In Norse mythology, the aurora was seen as a bridge between the world of the gods and the world of men. The Sami people of Northern Europe believed the lights were the souls of the departed and treated the aurora with reverence and respect. These lights have inspired countless stories, songs, and poems. Today, the Northern Lights continue to fascinate and inspire us. They remind us of the power of nature and the beauty of our planet. They stand as a symbol of hope and wonder. As more people travel to see the Northern Lights, it's crucial to do so responsibly. The Arctic environment is incredibly fragile. We must minimize our impact. Choose tour operators who follow sustainable practices. Respect the local communities and their traditions. Be mindful of noise pollution and avoid leaving any trace of your visit. Let's preserve the beauty of the Arctic for future generations. By traveling responsibly, we can ensure that the magic of the Northern Lights continues to enchant people for years to come. The Arctic region offers much more than just the northern lights. It is a land of stunning landscapes, unique wildlife, and rich cultures. Explore the vast tundra, home to reindeer and Arctic foxes. Visit traditional villages and learn about the way of life of the Inuit people. Go dog sledding or snowmobiling through the snowy wilderness. Marvel at the beauty of glaciers and icebergs. The Arctic is a world of adventure and discovery. The Northern Lights are a true wonder of the natural world. They are a symphony of light and color, a celestial dance that captivates the soul. Witnessing this spectacle is an experience that stays with you forever. It reminds us of the vastness of the universe and the power of nature. It inspires awe and wonder and ignites a sense of adventure. So chase the lights, embrace the magic of the north. Let the dancing lights of the aurora borealis guide you on a journey of discovery, and let the memories of this celestial spectacle stay with you long after the lights have faded.